Guys, we're back here at the old hacked mansion, and just like the other day when we came back, hold on a sec, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3. So that inducer probably seized up again, and it's pretty cold in here. How cold? Let's go take a look at the old thermostat. 43 degrees. Not good. No frozen pipes or anything, so we're good there. It stayed enough above freezing. Let's free up this inducer again. We'll get the heat pump system going today. All right, freed her up with my hand again, and she's gonna be rock and roll. Let's wait for the flame here. There goes the igniter. There's our flame. Let's warm this house up. We're gonna go see if our heat pump there is holding pressure, and we'll get her on back. All right, guys, we got great news. She was holding pressure. It's been over a week. It's been like 10 days since we've been out here. I got my pump, got my cord. I'm having a hard time telling if I'm getting my straighter out of here. You know how it is with these things. I'm gonna just pull the whole thing off, drain my nitro out, and then we'll hook this guy back up with the straighter out of it, and get our pump going. All right, guys, we're pumping away. Whew. Definitely gonna wait till it warms up a little bit this afternoon to start cleaning these up and doing these ones. I'm gonna go inside and start doing the wiring inside first. Oh, it's cold this morning. I think it was about 6 degrees. All right, my brother's over on the other side cleaning up the one over there. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this stuff up, and I'm gonna get this SO cable spliced here. Okay, guys, got them all spliced together with my butt connectors. Like I said, it's not ideal, but this line is short. We'll button this up all nice. I'll put the cover plate on there. I'll start working on getting the indoor units wired in. Then I'll head outside once it's warmed up a little bit. And I'm excited to get this system running today. And guys, haven't been doing anything too exciting today, but looks like our VAC's doing pretty good. Kind of bouncing around 250 or so. I'm gonna get started on cleaning all these up and getting this guy wired in. We'll be able to weigh in our charge and get this guy going. Let me show you what we've done inside. Got these units all buttoned up. Everything's wired on the inside on every unit now. Show ya. So my brother cleaned up all these. I'll have to take this shell off one more time. I should have told him to run our tubing into there, because that'll have to run up and through and then come out here to go in to where our pump's going to be. We're going to drywall that up, then we can set the pump. So I'm not worried about that, because you only need that for AC. I want to get these fired up today. I'll show you the other side here. Again, we got that all cleaned up. I should have told him that we need to run that tubing in there. Well, I guess what I could do is probably just drill a small hole. I'll probably just drill a small hole right here, because the pump itself will cover that. No, it won't, because the backing goes all the way to here. It has to come through the unit. So we're going to have to pull these one more time and run that tubing through. Might be a good project for my brother to do while I'm making up the outdoor unit. Let's show you this last one. Got him all buttoned up. He gravity's out, so we don't have to worry about tubing for him. And if I don't trip and break my neck, we got him all down and through. That drain will just gravity out, boom, down there to the ground. Once we're all done, we'll backfill that dirt and level it all off. But I'm gonna go do some wiring. All right, guys, so we got the system up and running. So I have another 5-zone Bosch system, same exact setup, where I have some of these wall units, and they happen to be 12Ks, just like this one, that are just basically staying in standby. Right now, it's doing the follow me, which means it senses temperature at the remote, and the remote's 54, and he's set at 72, and this one's not coming on. I have another job where there's 2 of them that are doing that. So I hope it's not a problem with their 12Ks. I don't want to have to swap that out now. Although swapping those is easy because each one has its own set of valves, so it's not that big of a deal. These ones are pumping away good. Got them all set at 70, putting out nice heat. Louvers are pointed down like they're supposed to be in heat. Let's go over here to this one. She's pumping, oh, you can hear it. She's pumping nice heat out. And I know how to get into the engineering mode of all these too. I've been on tech support so much with them. Yeah, this one's good. I know how to I know how to go in. I know what the sensor's reading up there, what the set temp is. I don't know why that one ain't coming on. But these four are good. So we're 4 out of 5 on this one. We're 3 out of 5 on the other system I got going. Let me go show you the outdoor unit. Then we're just going to do some backing for the drywall, maybe put some drywall up. Get out of here. Looking good. I still got to put the cover on it. It's right there. I'll put that on here in a sec. But you know, it starts getting real busy in there when you start getting 5 units plus the line voltage that goes in there. But I think it looks pretty clean. Too bad. Still got drains and stuff to tidy up, to seal my holes and whatnot. But trying to get the heat going because it's been single digits here at night, and that ain't good for a house with no heat. So just pumping away good. Nice and cold coming off of her. We'll put that cover on, put some backing up for the drywall, and get out of here. A lot of the snow melted from last time we were here. Alright, well, I got the louver to do what it's supposed to do, but she ain't blowing. Only 1 out of the 5 that isn't blowing. I have no idea what's going on. But it's warming up real nice down here. I did talk to the homeowner about the upstairs portion, which if you watch the other videos of the hacked mansion, you'll see what we're going to do there. And then I went ahead and just kicked that old Gooman back on, just to make sure this house is nice and toasty. Because like I said, it's getting down in the single digits, and we might even have a bigger cold snap coming. So anyway, I'm going to get on out of here. You need to turn on. I don't know why. I wish I would have got some video yesterday showing you guys me taking these apart, going through all the engineering. It's like a 1 through 20 that you go through, and it'll tell you everything this unit's doing. Yeah, we got no fan. All right, let me get out of here. I'll figure it out. You know, when I know more on that other house, I'll know more what this guy's doing. But I can't do anything. I know we got good wiring. I know we got good communication. Yeah.